A very good afternoon, dear students. Uh, Now, today we will discuss about the different level of automation in any automated system or in any production system or in any manufacturing system. Okay. So till now we discussed about the different advanced function of an automated function and different the kind of different automated systems, their basic elements or the key elements which are required or which are necessary in any automated system which can be implemented further in any factory or in any production system. Okay, so today we will discuss about the different level of automations. So my dear students, as if we are going to implement any automated kind of a thing, any automation in any factory system or in any production systems, so we need to know about the level of automation which we can implement in that particular production system or in that particular manufacturing systems. So today's topic is about level of automation, levels of automation. If we talk about the different level of automation in a factory or in a certain production system, so we can understand with an example. Let's say, and again I will take an example which is a very familiar or a common example. That's why I am taking this particular example quite repetitive times. So CNC machine, for example, suppose I'm taking an example of a CNC machine. Now you can understand from this particular machine. Suppose this is a CNC machine where a tool post will be there, where different tools are located. Okay, this is the rotation of that particular CNC tool post or the CNC machine. Or and one is your CNC tool post, this is your CNC axis, and another is your complete machine. So let's take for example, suppose this is a CNC machine where we have, now as you see that, as you heard that the CNC machine is classified or categorized by the rotation of that particular turret or a tool post in different axes or in different directions. So based on that we have 2 axes, 3 axes, 5 axis CNC machines are available, multi axis CNC machines are available. So we have a one control system over here, means that we can say that the position control system for that particular CNC machine, for 2 axis machine will be there, for 3 axis machine will be there, or for 5 axis machine will be there. So one control system is for that particular. Second is for your rotation or the tool change, means that in a particular CNC machine we have a facility, we have a capacity to install different types of tools, so that control system for that particular machine, one is for that tool, and third is for that particular complete machine, which control system or which is going to operate, which is going to control the whole process of that particular machine. So basically, if we talk about the automation in this particular, or the level of automation in this particular CNC machine, so as we can see here is that the level of automation in this particular CNC machine is established or is installed at different stages or different steps. First, 3 types, at 3 levels we are enabling the automation in this particular CNC machines. At first, on this at axis system, in an axis system. Second one on a our tool positioning, tool changing, or a turret or a tool post, anything you can say. And third is on your complete machine operation system or a thing. So means that what I'm trying to say from this particular example is that we can implement automation in any factory at different levels. Understand? So automation is not only about at a bigger site, is that to make that particular factory automated from a single individual component, from there to a complete whole process or to a complete plant, you can make an automated system. So okay, so it means that from this particular example, what I am trying to explain you guys is that we can implement automation in that particular system at different levels. Okay, so now if we talk about the different levels of automation in our factory or in our production systems, what are those levels or where we can implement that automations at different stages in our factory? Let us see here. The level of automation is first starting from this particular device level to your machine level to your cell level to your plant level and to your enterprise level. So means that first, second, third, fourth, and this is fifth. Means that at these 5 different stages or at these 5 different levels, we can implement an automation in our factory or in our production system. First is device level, second is your machine level, third is your cell level, fourth is your plant level, and fifth is your enterprise level. So device level means that at a sensors or actuators, means that at device level, at each and every component, at individual component, individual devices in that particular machinery, in that particular system, we can make automation of that particular system on a device level, on a component level, or a part level, or that particular certain component level. Means that in the form of a sensor, in the form of an actuator, these are also a category of an automated kind of a thing for a device level. Okay, now second, for a machine level. So machine level, at machine level, of course, where the combinations of a different device level components are available, means that different devices, different component, different sub assemblies, different small individual components will make a complete machine. And that machine level, whole machine, or all the processes, all the manufacturing operations, all the procedures, all the processes which are happening in that particular machines, to make that particular processes which are happening, which are going to run in that particular machine, comes under the machine level. It means that in a machine level we can create, we can maintain, or we can implement automation. Even after that, cell level. Cell level means a group of machines. Cell generally basically a cluster of a machine which is specifically maybe for a certain target, for a certain types of a production system, for specifically for a certain type of a part or a component which is are going to be manufactured in that particular specifically cell or a cluster. So cell level means that different group of machineries, means that when we implement automation kind of a thing in a machine level. Of course, different so number of machines, n number of machines will make a cluster or a cell, which will be automatically a kind of a automation. So means that in a cell level or in a system level, you can say we can implement the automation kind of a thing. Next one is your plant level. In plant level means that whole plant. Whole plant means that a complete production system, a whole manufacturing system, or in a whole factory where different number of devices will be there, under which number of devices, n number of devices will be there, which will create n number of machines, n number of machine which will be created n number of cells or n number of clusters or n number of group of technologies, and these n number of clusters or n number of cells together make a complete plants. Means that under a single plant we have so many machines, so many processes, so many employees, so many workers, so many manufacturing operations, different types of materials and different types of parts and components are manufactured or produced. So these kind of automation or these kind of categories or the processes are happening under a plant level. So in a plant level we can formulate, we can implement an automation in our factory. After that, enterprise level. So in an enterprise level which is beyond to your plant level, means that which will include your final distribution, packaging, oblique sales, oblique marketing. So at enterprise level means that for a corporate sectors where the higher management, higher authorities will be involved with your marketing, digital marketing team, sales team, and your packaging team, your supply chain management system will be there, which are going to deliver that particular customer, which are going to pack that particular product to and deliver to different certain locations, to your dealers, to your market, how the sale, how the marketing of that particular component or a part will be happened. So this at this level the automation is known as an enterprise level. So in any production system or in any factory or in any manufacturing system we can implement automations at different level, from beginning from the lowest level which is at your device level. You can say that from here to device level to your machine level, then your cell level or a system level, or you can say cluster level, then you are up to your plant level and up to your enterprise level. So these are the different stages or these are the different levels of automation in a factory or in a production system. Okay, so on these different level, under at these different level we can implement an automation, and we can implement certain types of control systems, certain types of procedures for these particular levels. Okay, thank you.